Now that we've logged on to our Holt McDougal online account, let's go ahead and look at some of the things it has to offer. Let's look at the online textbook tab. So if you go ahead and click go to the online textbook, there's a lot of different options here. You've got 3 tabs that are important. You've got book pages, student resources, and videos and activities. So let's go ahead and let's start and look at the book pages. So on this front page, it tells you all about what's included in this section. You have the book pages where you have access to the student edition of the book. So under book pages, you will have an online version of the entire textbook that we have here at school. There's also student resources, which are a bunch of different worksheets and interactive quizzes and tools. And then there's videos and activities, which is really awesome. So we're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to select, let's go to book pages. When we are on book pages, you see that it pulls up the entire book. So this is an actual photocopy of what our textbook looks like at school. So if you or your child are at home and you find that you're having trouble with something, you can go ahead and you can log on and view this textbook. So let's say that I decide I want to go to page 28. I'm going to type that in, I'm going to go ahead and hit go, and it will pull up for me page 28 of the book. And so here I've got problems, and I've got everything that goes with this section. Let's say instead of going to a specific page, I want to look at a specific section. I'm going to go ahead and go up here, select my chapter, and then select my lesson. Now, there's a lot of different parts to this because there's a lot of different parts to our chapter. You can select the beginning of a chapter, the Are You Ready assessment, a preview, and then you've got the different lessons and the pages that come after lessons. Sometimes they're technology labs, sometimes they're quizzes, there are a bunch of different things that are helpful, but I want to go directly to the lesson. So I put in, I want chapter 1, I want lesson 1.5, and I'm going to hit go, and it will pull me up to the actual book page. And what's really cool about this is they also have different tools that go with it. So we'll look at all these different tools again, but instead of having to go to the student resource or the videos and activities tab, it will put the resources right here for you. So for example, let's say that I wanted to watch a video about how to do this example in the book. I can hit example 1 and there will be a video right there for me. And that will go with this example. So there's a video for each example in this section. It also has the interactive quiz. So let's say I wanted to test myself afterward and go ahead and take the interactive practice quiz and see how I'm doing. They also have the vocabulary words. So that's what you can do when you want to find the book pages. There's got a lot of different options and all the different things that go with the different options.